In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello templates. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to find a template, turn it into your own board, customize it safely, and even tap into card templates or make your own board template for future projects. Start by logging into Trello. Make sure you're in the right account, and if you work with a team, that you're in the correct workspace. This ensures your new board lands where the right people can see it. Next, open the Templates gallery. You can get there from Trello's navigation or by visiting the Templates page. This gallery is organized by categories like project management, design, and marketing, which makes it easy to narrow things down. Browse and select a template that matches your workflow. Click into it to preview the lists and example cards, and take a moment to read the description. You're looking for structure that matches how you actually work. Things like stages, labels, and checklists you'll reuse often. When you've found the one, click Use Template. This starts the process of cloning the template into a brand new board you control. Give your new board a clear descriptive name. A good name helps teammates recognize it at a glance. If you run multiple projects, consider adding a short prefix or date to keep things tidy. Now select the desired workspace. The workspace determines who has access by default, so choose the team or space where this board should live. If you see visibility options, set them to private or workspace visible according to your needs. Click Create. Trello will spin up your board instantly. Your new board is now yours to edit and customize without affecting the original template. Rearrange or rename lists, tweak labels, and remove example cards you don't need. Open a few cards to adjust descriptions, checklists, and due dates so the board reflects your real tasks. Add teammates, set members on key cards, and, if helpful, enable power-ups or simple automations to streamline repetitive steps. You can open an existing card or create a new one within any list to start working right away. Use checklists for step-by-step tasks, add attachments for context, and set due dates to keep things on schedule. You can also create a new card from a template. Look for the card template option when adding a card, then pick a saved structure to pre-fill fields like checklists, labels, and descriptions. Finally, if you refine a board into a repeatable process, turn it into your own board template so you can reuse it next time with one click. That way, your best process becomes your fastest start.